some of you, I imagine, have already seen this meme going around. And what I think of it as is it's just very simple coding agent orchestration. It's very easy to get your mind around, try yourself and improve at. And that's why I'm very excited about it. But what specifically is it? You've maybe seen posts where people have said, "Oh, I was using Ralph Wiggum and I, unverifiably did all this stuff, completely hands-free." It seems amazing, but there's very little that we can actually see and verify. One of the early things actually happened over the summer before this became, memeified, was the creator, Jeffrey Huntley, built a complete compiler, mostly hands-free, using agents running in Ralph loops. Ralph is a technique. So it's not one specific prompt, one specific script. It is a strategy of using coding agents. And in its purest form, it is a bash loop. Specifically, this bash loop. Over and over, while true, run an agent with the same prompt, auto-approved, like headless mode. And why does that work? Well, because something special is in the prompt that says there's some plan. I want you to do the next piece and only that, then mark it complete in the plan. And the agent will come next time and go through this again and go through this again, doing a very small piece. So your prompt may start like that, but the idea is to make your own. It's not one individual prompt. It's a matter of watching what the agent does and then improving upon that process as you go. So what might this look like with OpenHands? We obviously do have an agent CLI. You can use our -- headless option to do your basic Ralph loop. I recommend putting in a little iteration limit. I'm interested in running up to 10 of these sessions or whatever it may be, put some kind of safety on it. You also want to think about the fact that you're auto approving in headless mode and run it in a context in which you're not worried about it, taking dangerous actions. Some other interesting OpenHands features for this purpose is you might decide to use the JSON option to write a more informative log you can parse later, because you're less interacting with the agent directly here and you're more sort of troubleshooting it over time. We also have OpenHands view to view trajectories. So this is how you would do it with OpenHands CLI. It's very easy to get started. I think a more advanced Ralph approach will be ultimately to use SDK scripting. So OpenHands Software Agent SDK is what I'm currently really enjoying doing my Ralph loops with. And some of the logic of the prompt goes into this script. And then I have something very repeatable. I can run it again and again. When I script with OpenHands SDK, I like to use UV scripts that declare the dependencies. And it's sort of like managing a single markdown prompt file. I have it all in one file and I can, swap them in and out. So that's a bit how I've been doing Ralph loop with OpenHands so far, and I've been enjoying it. Generally, the model with which you interact with agents changes in Ralph loop in a way that I think is very interesting, because instead of backing away from interacting with this agent chat loop, you're interacting with the tickets themselves, with the plan. And then a single part of that plan is what interacts with the agent. I think that's a very interesting angle going forward. I look forward to seeing how it develops.